Henan Junmu Medical Equipment Company Limited, based in Zhengzhou, Henan Province, is a trusted global provider of advanced disinfection and sterilization equipment and freeze dryer. We provide versatile solutions such as vertical, horizontal, and portable autoclaves, plasma sterilizers, humidity chambers for food and pharmaceutical industries. Our equipment, designed for reliability and safety, serves diverse sectors including hospitals, food production, and critical settings like operating rooms, dental clinics, and biotech labs. Since the establishment of our company, we have exported to Europe, America, Australia, the Middle East, and Africa, and other regions, establishing long-term partnerships with customers who value reliability and cutting-edge performance. Our experienced staff is committed to strict quality control and attentive customer service, comprehensive after-sales support, including installation instructions, operator training, and 24-hour technical support to ensure seamless operation. We have also received unanimous praise and continuous orders from customers around the world. As a full-cycle solution provider, we manage every stage of development and deployment and understand the unique needs of each customer to provide full solutions for specific applications. Ensuring product excellence and durability, we combine technical expertise, flexible pricing, and a customer-centric approach to support healthcare and food production suppliers around the world. We look forward to working with domestic and international customers to improve sterilization standards in healthcare facilities, improve food safety through cutting-edge technology, and promote innovation in various industries.